Hi everyone. Today we are going to do the rabbit rule. Before that, let us see these words which are there. Letter, double T, muffin, double F, ladder, double D, rubber, double B. Why it is double? Yeah, here comes the rabbit rule. The rabbit rule says the words should be two-syllable words. The words which are there eligible for the rabbit rule should be two-syllable words. Second, the words should have a short vowel sound. The words should have a short vowel sound. The third one says between two vowels there should be only one consonant sound. Between two vowels there should be only one consonant sound. So in this way these all words are eligible in the rabbit rule. That is why we double the consonant over here. Come on, I will show you how. So for example, the first rule, it should be a two-syllable word. This is a two-syllable. Letter, it is a two-syllable word. So that is why we double the T. We double the T. Or else you can do simply 1, 2, double I do. This is also a very simple rule which says you have to count from the vowel. So you put 1 over here and you put your 2. And then you say I double I do. I'll use my red pen. And then you say I double I do. 1, 2, double I do. So that is why this is eligible for the rabbit rule. Next one, fin, muffin, muffin. So it is a two-syllable word. Then it has only one consonant between the two vowels, plus it has a short vowel sound also. So that is why I double my. I can also say 1, 2, double I do. So I double my sound. Correct. Second one, ladder. So this is two-syllable, ladder. Correct. Then it has one consonant sound between two vowels and it also has a short vowel. So 1, 2, double I do. So that is why I do my D double. Last one, rubber. It is a two-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound also and there's one consonant between the two vowels. So I say 1, 2, double I do. So I put my D again. So this is the criteria for doing the word double. Don't do double anywhere you want, kids. Okay? You just see this rule and then you put it over here. Okay? I will show you more activities for how you can reinforce this topic with the kids. Come on, let's see. My root words, okay? These are my base words. These are my suffix. So whether I have to double these last words of consonant, that we will see and then we will add the suffix. If it's eligible for this, then we ask the kid to do correct and then ask the suffix to add it and what will be the last word is to be written over here. Okay, the first one is swim. It is a two-syllable word. It has a one short vowel sound. There is one short vowel sound over here. Okay, so we say 1, 2, double I do. Correct? So this is eligible for this rule. So say correct and write double M or swimmer. Okay, you do a swimmer. Next one, drip. Okay, so there is one short vowel sound. There is a two-syllable word and there is a one consonant also. So this is eligible. For example, 1, 2, double I do. So I get drippy. It's a drippy. The word is drippy. I add a suffix y which is already given over here. You have to give what to add to the kids. You can't expect them to make a word like that. Then nod. 1, 2, double I, do. Okay, so you write or double D, ED, nodded. Okay, nodded. Next one. 1, 2, double I, do. This is eligible. This is claw, op. Double P, ing, clopping. Okay, double P, ing, clopping. 1, 2, and again a vowel. 3. No, no double for you. So I say 1, 2, 3. No doubling for you. So I say cross and I write hopeful. Hopefully. Correct? Understood? So this is the way you enforce the topic to them. Keep practicing. Give them the words of both, the one which you can double and one which you can't. Give them 1, 2, double I, 2. This is the easier one. Or give them the 3 rules. It should be 2 syllable words. There should be a 1 short vowel sound in that. There should be it should have only 1 consonant sound between 2 vowels. You can give this example to them. So they have one. It had 1 vowel sound between the 2 consonants over here. See here. This did not double. That is why it did not had this. So this could not be doubled. Okay. So this is the way you can reinforce the topic. Please follow Young Roots. It was really helpful and it gives us a lot of motivation to put such videos which will be very helpful for your kids in reading. Thank you.